Hello and welcome to our new video. Which is your favorite food item? In today's video we're gonna draw some fruits and vegetables. Are you ready? First one is a mango. Next we can draw an orange. It has a round shape. Which color should we give it? Absolutely orange. Can you guess which fruit it is? It is a dragon fruit. We can now color it to make it more attractive. Our next item is a watermelon. First we can draw a piece cut from a watermelon. Near to it, we can draw an uncut watermelon. It is round in shape. There are some strips on its surface. We can draw it and color it. What is this going to be? Is this a flower? It has thorns. Is this a small fruit or a big fruit? It is a jackfruit. Easy, right? Now, we can attempt a pineapple. We draw a rounded rectangle. Then the leaves above it. We can add a face to it, finally color it to make it a perfect pineapple. Do you like chilies? They're too hot, right? Here are two chilies. This is very easy to draw. Coloring it makes look like original chilies. Next, we can draw two carrots. This has some similarities with the previous picture of the chilies, but also note the differences. Colors are also given differently. Shall we draw a pumpkin next? An oval shape is drawn at first. Then some more curves are added at both sides of the oval. Stalk is drawn. At last, we can color it. Pumpkin ready. We have drawn a dragon fruit. Have you seen it opened? Let's draw it. The inside portion is white and there are some black seeds. We can color this drawing accordingly. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.